Hey tubes, Farmall 51 here. This here is the International 420 2-bottom 3-point plow that I picked up a couple days ago, and I knew this when I got the thing, but the front frog here, and I know people probably got some other terms for it, but I've always heard it called by frog. It's what Red Bibs Bill calls it. That's what I've always called it. But you can see where somebody plowed with it, and they did not have their plow set right, and to wear it down like that right there, that's crazy. And you can see there's the front share, how it's wore. There's nothing left of it. So, but yeah, don't do that. This share here is wore, it's not as bad here. I'm going to go ahead and replace this one anyway, because just for the sheer fact of it being weak right there in that spot. And you can weld them up, which I may keep this one and weld it up just as a spare in case you break one, because you could break one if that beam didn't trip right. But I'm going to strip this one off as well, and then I'm going to put another piece right here on this, because this is that long landslide that Case IH wants so much for. Let me see if I can get the light a little bit better, but this landslide here is not great. I've got another one that's in a little better shape, and I'm going to put that one on there. You know, like I say, just rebuilding these bottoms on this 420 here. It's a pretty good plow. I'm kind of excited to try it out and plow with it some. I know it's 2-bottom, but you can see it's on 16. So these are 16-inch bottoms here, and the wings are, like I say, the wings are in good shape, so I'm not worried about that. You know, I'm gonna see if I can round up some coulters here for it to plow with it. But yeah, I'm gonna slowly just rebuild these here and get these in shape, and then I'm gonna check the beams here and make sure that they trip like they're supposed to. And on the back here, you can set one of these bolts on the top there, you can set the tension of the spring. So, but I am going to make sure. That's one thing Red Bibs Bill told me. He says you make sure them beams will trip like they're supposed to. Well, this one, well, of course, this one here is not going to trip, but make sure that front one's going to trip. But other than that, that's just kind of where I'm at on that. And but I'm going to put me in my new frog. I got some new frogs to go on there, previously used, and I will cut all my bolts off. I got some new bolts to put in there. And somebody said, well, why don't you save them? I said, well, most of them are so rusted up, by the time you save them, and of course the front there would be wore off, so it's just faster and easier just to cut them off and put new in there and be done with it. So